In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze your Monzo card and order a replacement. If you've misplaced your card, notice something suspicious, or just want to be safe while you look for it, freezing your card is the quickest way to protect your money. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Monzo app and make sure you're on the home screen. If you've been browsing other parts of the app, just tap home at the bottom to return to your main overview. This is where you'll see your accounts and the controls related to your card. Next, tap card. This section focuses on your physical card controls. It's where you can manage security options and, most importantly for today, freeze your card if it's lost or you're concerned about unauthorized use. Now, select freeze. As soon as you do this, your card is switched off for spending. That means it can't be used in stores or online while it's frozen. This step is immediate and is the best way to prevent further transactions while you decide what to do next. If you're freezing because the card is definitely lost or stolen, don't worry, we're about to order a replacement. After freezing, follow the prompts in the app to order a new card. You'll typically be asked to confirm the reasons such as lost, stolen, damaged, or expired, and then to review your delivery details. Take a moment to make sure your address is correct before you confirm. Depending on the reason, replacement costs can vary. It's free if your card was stolen or has expired, and in other cases a fee may apply. The app will show you any applicable charges clearly before you proceed. Once you've placed the order, your new card will usually arrive within 2 to 5 working days in the UK. Working days don't include weekends or bank holidays, so plan accordingly if you need the card for an upcoming trip or payment. Keep an eye on the app for any updates, and remember that while your old card is frozen, it can't be used for spending. That's it. Open the Monzo app, head to home, tap card, freeze your card, and follow the on-screen steps to order a replacement. Taking a minute to do this protects your account and gets a new card on its way quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident handling a lost or stolen card.